going to show you how to add and subtract on what we call an open number line. First one, 37 plus 32. We start at the bigger number, which is 37. And we have to add 32. So we're going to do that in tens and ones. So we're going to do 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. Now when we add on the number line, we're going to add our 10, our 10, our 10, and our 2. 37 plus 10, 47. Plus 10, 57. Plus 10, 67. 68, 69. 37 plus 32 equals 69. Now when we subtract, of course we're going to start with the largest number, but we're going to start on this end of the number line. And we're going to write down 39. And we're going to jump backwards 16. So we're going to do 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We jump 10 and 6. 39 minus 10 is 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. 39 minus 16 is 23.